There is no doubt that prompt reperfusion is the key to salvaging more myocardium after a coronary occlusion, as in acute myocardial infarction. Yet, the rapid restoration of flow to an ischemic myocardium can also trigger the sequence of ischemia-reperfusion injury with deleterious consequences like further myocardial necrosis. Some of the pathologic and molecular bases of myocardial ischemia-reperfusion injury are injury from reactive oxygen species, inflammation, calcium overload, endothelial dysfunction, and impaired microvascular flow. Impaired microvascular flow manifests as the dreaded no reflow phenomenon after primary angioplasty.